the August Ipsy Glam bag. My BoxyCharm box is on its way again. It is late this month, so I don't know what's going on. But today we have the little glam bag that I do pay for myself. The bag is super cute. It gives like very fall warm vibes. That's what I get from this. So let's go ahead and jump in. This month the theme is Get Golden, and it shows little sneak peeks for next month. Like we have Tatcha, Moon Slice, and Eva NYC are gonna be some of the picks, but let's get into mine. So first off are these brushes. This came outside of the bag because it doesn't fit in there. And these are SL Miss Glam eye brush duos. These are full size and are $38.50. They seem a little pricey. I just feel like there's so many brushes and nowadays and so many brands, and you can get them on sale a lot. But these are cute. They're pink. I kind of remember them sending us something similar. I think I've had these brushes previously. I'm almost sure, like these little stones seem familiar to me, but I'm never mad at a good eye brush, so we'll add those to my collection, and they're nice and soft. Next we have my actual pick for this month, and this month my pick was the Professional Smooth Sip. I really like this moisturizer. I used it up completely. I had gotten it in PR and really enjoyed it. The only thing I don't really like is like this tin can sort of formula, but when I saw it as a pick, I was like, oh, that's nice for when I go and travel. I love taking moisturizer with me, and this is a really nice, like very refreshing moisturizer. It gives a lot of hydration to the skin, so I really enjoy it. And this is the mini size. It says the full size is $44. So that was my pick. Next we got the Olivia Uma cleansing foam. It says glass skin. So this is from Korea. You guys know I am a Korean lover. I love like their music, their skincare, their makeup, the whole 9 yards. The full size of this is $29, and it says that it's made of heart leaf, shine, muskrat, green apple, papaya, and green plum, and it's supposed to like help with removing makeup. So I will definitely see what the hype is. We'll see how good it is. Then we have, let me see, Seraphine Botanicals First Light Superfine Ultra Beaming Highlighter. Dang, that's a lot in there. So this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $28, even though I wish all highlighters were this tiny, because I'm gonna tell you, I've never hit pan on a highlighter. Even eyeshadows nowadays, it's so hot, like so hard. But this is very beautiful. It's like a champagne, almost like, I don't know, it kind of gives me a little bit of duochrome vibes. Oh, that is soft. That is very, very soft on there. And okay, no, it's not duochrome. It's almost like a champagne with like a little bit of gold in it. Do you guys see that? So it's very, very subtle, really cute. So I will try that out. Let me go ahead and pop some on top of the highlighter I already have. That just like added extra beam on there. And then last in here is the Beauty Creations Plump and Pout. This is a plumping lip liner, and this is full size. It's $6, and it is a warm rosy cream lip liner. This is in the color Obsession, and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to get back into wearing color. Recently I wore like an orangey kind of fall lippy. Today I'm wearing like more red. This is by Rom and ND, a water tint, and then I have a lip gloss on top. But if I could open this, 5 years later, this is the Beauty Creations Plump and Pout, and it is rather, oh, I've never seen one like this. It's like a little clicker. So that is really cool. The actual product itself is really thick when it comes out. So this is not for like lining your lips very subtly. It doesn't have like a fine point on it. It's very, very sharp. It doesn't seem like it has a sharpener on it, but I will definitely test this out. It looks like a very gorgeous, like reddish burgundy type of shade. absolutely stunning for the fall. And I am all about plumping. Even today I have one of my favorite Forget the Filler from Lawless on top, because I got really thin lips, so I'm always trying to add a little something extra on there. So this is really beautiful. And that is it for this month's bag. I think overall it's a good bag. I like the lip liner. I mean, there's not a dud in here. Everything in here is something that I want to keep and try out. So I'm happy with this month's bag. Let me know what your pick was, what you got, what your thoughts are. Hopefully, fingers crossed, my BoxyCharm will land at my door and I can record that for you guys. So we shall see. But thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting my little tiny little channel. If you like beauty, fashion, sense, the whole 9 yards, definitely subscribe. It's free. Hit that little red button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.